Guys, we got the vending machines right over here. We got the vending machines over there. And then we got the banana vending machine. Check it out. There's even a container to dispose of your banana peel right over here. 150 yen. Not a bad bargain. OG subscribers will remember this location, Hard Rock Cafe. We're at the annual RWB meet here, and of course all the cars I'm filming now are not RWBs. They're already parked inside the structure. We're gonna go do a little quick tour very soon, but dude, there's so many more people here this year than the previous 2 years that we've been attending this. So something interesting is happening right now. The entire structure is at capacity, and the gate system won't lift unless a car leaves. So what this man is doing with the cart is, with the weight of the cart, he's triggering the sensors underneath and the gate, so it will allow more cars than capacity. So what a system. Currently on the second floor of the structure, and we found my neighbor Totoro's cat bus right here. Check that out. Pretty damn amazing. Look at the grill, shaped like the cat bus. And of course, as usual, we got all these stuffed animals and plush animals lined up there from my neighbor Totoro. Stay tuned for all the Tokyo Auto Salon coverage. And we got a GMC Suburban. What the heck's this thing doing here? We're just chilling here, waiting for the cars to leave. We're gonna flip on my night mode. Hold on, just give me a second. What the fuck is he doing, dude? I swear to see him. He's just chilling in between the two cars. There you go. You can sort of see him right there. You can see him?
It's a little bit different.
He's been in that position for the past 10 minutes, guys. What the fuck? It's like a demon child just crouched, perched between the two RWBs. Gonna flip it off. Bam. You can see him, the silhouette of the demon child right there. As you guys know, I'm not the biggest Porsche connoisseur known to mankind. I'm gonna guess that's a 964, 911, 993. Their license plates say it all. Boom. So we got the 964, 993, 993, 930. Oh, that's right. Call me Porsche Collector Chain. I'm gonna do a quick walk around and see which of these RWBs has the most fantastic and outlandish wing. I think this guy is a high contender with the triple decker wing. Ooh, it's got a little scoop right there as well. Nice. That's a decent wing. It's a mediocre wing. Ducktail wing, not so much. That guy has zero wing. So he's out of the game. This black one, a top contender as well. And the purple and the green ones have decent wings as well. But this white 930 right over here, I'm gonna walk in everyone's shop because fuck it. Check this out. This is a very impressive wing. I do like it. And the center exhaust, pretty sick. Ooh, ducktail wing. Nice color though. Taking a quick break from the RWB Porsches. We got the Coca-Cola peach flavor, pretty damn nice. And then we got a whole selection of frozen goods, some chocolate right over here, and check it out, ice cream. Now the fun fact about these ice creams is any of these cones you pick, they're pretty damn crunchy. You are in for a real treat. We stood out here, the cars are actually leaving on time, so let's get a couple of possible accelerations out of the entrance and exit right over there, but let's see what happens. Oh, sorry guys. Well, finally the time has come. All the cars are rolling out. Unfortunately for all the owners here, they have to go through this extremely archaic and very, very slow gate system to get in and out of, so it's going to be quite a while before they all roll out. But you guys are in luck. Now we're rolling, yes. There you go. We got the cart man in action, helping and assisting these fellow RWB owners getting in and out of this archaic gate system, only to be hindered by this, the world's slowest red light right over there to make a left or right. So, oh, by the way, some jamoke has left the LED light right over there on, therefore ruining most shots that are to be had from my vantage point. So, yeah, it's kind of a fuck fest, isn't it? As you can tell, it's a pretty busy intersection. There's photographers. Oh, sorry, I'm getting in the way of everyone's shot. Meanwhile, we got two guys over here trying to get the girls' numbers in the taxis. Oh, very nice. Very nice. Goodbye. It was nice knowing you. Goodbye. The Maserati with the pull. So all the RWB cars rolling out. Yeah. It's hard to see from here, but you guys see that black Alphard right behind the red RWB Porsche? It is the Royal Lounge Edition, one step higher than the Executive Lounge Edition. I forgot what the MSRP is, but it's pretty goddamn expensive. The Spearmint Rhino. Goodbye. This traffic situation is exacerbated by the fact that there's 20 RWB Porsches leaving at the same time, but that's okay. Traffic's literally backed up all the way down there, so now this is more like it, guys. All the RWBs are here at Tatsumi, all lined up. Nice little group photo here, and we got a drone flying up ahead. Double the dogs right over there. We got the obligatory dog spot for the vlog, guys. Very nice. And we got around, no, let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. I would say 21 or 22 RWBs all lined up here. Of course, we got a 458. It's easier to do a quick walk around of all the RWB Porsches. I'm not going to do any like in-depth like talk or look at any specific model, but this guy is a little out of place. What do you say? Quick 360 of all the RWBs around me. I think Tatsumi was closed earlier, so the police might roll in any second and close it down. So the cops are here. Well, it's only one cop, but the cool thing is they don't really pull anyone over or give any tickets. Apparently this parking section right over here is only for trucks, so everyone's on a mad scramble to bust on out, and maybe we'll get some accelerations. And we got the police just kind of just chilling there, just monitoring the situation. All right, we're in business, guys. We're gonna get some accelerations because they're all leaving the truck parking area here at Tatsumi. We're finally gonna get, some action. Here we go. Oh, you can smell the fumes here, guys. Oh, got a little squirrely there. Guy's gotten the message. Now we're in business, guys. Yes. Show me some love. Show me some love. No? Okay. See, now Now, if this was America, this guy would have gotten a ticket. Who knows what else he would have been written up for? No front plate, modified exhaust. Who knows? But we're in Tokyo. Police are pretty chill. This is the world's most patient policeman, waiting for this guy to bounce. I mean, like, if a cop's like telling you to do something, you should probably just do it in America. But in Tokyo, I guess it's different. Just not giving a damn, so. Wow. Bold man here, guys. Dude, they're still pretty chill, man, surprisingly.